Welcome back. Now, the last thing that we need for a full biryani dinner is cucumber raita. Yogurt, mayonnaise, some lime or lemon, onions, cucumber and some garnishing vegetables all mixed together, chilled in the fridge. Here we go. You're watching the Diao's channel. Atha's Cucumber Raita. For this you will need Japanese cucumbers, red onions, small green chilies, cilantro and some large red and green chilies. Also, you will need natural yogurt, some mayonnaise and of course don't forget the lovely limes. Okay, let's start. Firstly, in a bowl, I have mixed half a portion of yogurt and half a portion of mayonnaise, and to that we are going to add 1 to 2 limes squeezed freshly in and then mix well to make a watery paste or sauce. Good. Moving on, we will just need to prep the vegetables and that's all. Slice the cucumbers, and this is one way to do it because we want small chunks. The reason we use Japanese cucumbers compared to the normal ones is because this one releases less water and we want a thick texture. Slice the onions as well, some small green chilies for heat, and the large red chili. This one gives a lovely pop of color, and the large green chili, this one, well, it just gives you a fragrance, a chili fragrance, but it's not really spicy. Another interesting ingredient that we would use is cilantro. Normally you don't see this in a raita, but we are going for it. It gives you a wonderful aroma and it just steps the taste up another notch. Right, it looks like all the ingredients are now ready. We just need to prep them. Now in a glass bowl, normally a glass bowl so that it looks pretty when you serve it, add all the cucumbers in, and now we're going to layer the top with all the garnishings, the onions, the chili, cilantro. And the last step, of course, pour in that velvety yogurt mayonnaise lime concoction. Another note, when you taste it and if you feel like if it's too sour or too sweet, you can add some salt into the liquid, and if it's up to you, you can even add some black pepper if that's what you want. But for today we are just settling in with the spice from the red chilies, the green chilies and the small chilies. Now give it a quick mix, and the last step is to set this in the fridge for at least 30 to 40 minutes. We need it to be chilled and we need some time for the sauce to just really seep into all the vegetables and then release itself back into a watery, delightful cucumber raita. Now we're going to serve all the dishes. We have the mutton masala, we have our cucumber raita. Look at how watery it's now because the vegetables have released some water. And then we're going to add the mutton dalcha. Oh, how hard was it to make, but fantastically delicious. The texture is just fantastic. And don't forget our boiled egg. Thank you for watching the Diao's channel. I'm going to compile this into both English and Tamil, I think, and we'll see how it is in the future. Thanks for following the series. Have a good day.